Well, we're in the shop, and today I'm going to see if I can fix what the dealer couldn't. If you watched the primary video, during the test ride, I complained about the rear brake. Long story short, 2020 rear brake line failed. There was a campaign on it, recall. It had been done once, but it wasn't routed properly, so it did it again. So I took it into Harley. They replaced the parts. They had the bike for a long time. They couldn't get the rear brake bled. They couldn't get a hard pedal in the rear, which had had a hard pedal previous to the brake line breaking. Anyway, they told me I either need to pick it up or they're going to start charging me storage. They weren't going to work on it anymore. So I picked it up and they said, hey, chances are, let it sit, it'll work its way out. That was 4 years ago. Brake line's still soft. So today, we're going to see if we can't fix it. Okay, I wanted the bike straight up and down, but I didn't want to get all the trouble of digging the lift out and dragging it over. So I threw it on the jack. And I think the first thing I'm going to do is get this hard lower off the front. So I've got room to add some brake fluid. Well, it's got a brake pedal now. It doesn't have to be pumped up. I'm going to let it sit for, I don't know, an hour or so. Well, the time's now 5 o'clock. That means it's been an hour and 15 minutes. And there's still a brake pedal. Okay, I'll get her down off the lift, the saddlebag back on it, get her ready to go for a ride tomorrow. The bike sat overnight and still has brake pedal, so I took the hard lowers off, took the tour pack off, took her outside, washed her. We're going to go for a little rip. Won't be any video because on my last ride, the chin mount fell off. So when I get back, I'll get that done where it can sit for a couple of days before I need it again. So we get the chin mount back on. It's going to take a bit to clean up the helmet. And then I'm going to try something to keep them from falling off, because this happened a couple of times. So we'll see you when I get back. Just a little bit. Took her out on a ride. She rode beautifully. Brake works perfect. I forgot how much fun this thing is to ride when you can trust it. Yeah, it's different. It's much more nimble than the Ultra, but the Ultra feels much more comfortable and planted tooling down the road. But glad to have her back up and running. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you liked it, go ahead, throw a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a comment. Let me know what you didn't like, and I'll try and improve on it. But till next time, catch you later.